Just giving her. Yep. Got a nice little bass here. Nah, he's not that big. Hey, it's the first catcher. That's a nice little catch there. Hold on, little guy. This was the little guy that was chasing my lure. How big did I say he looked? Can't get the hook out of him. Yeah. Well, at least we know they like this lure. Thank you, sir. Just giving her. Hey, I said he was 13. He's 12. I was off by an inch. He's a pretty little one. See you later, little guy.